Care for the bridge's dental health is vital in order to ensure its long-term performance. No matter if you've just purchased the dental bridge or used one for a long time, taking care of it properly is vital in order to keep any issues from arising or problems. In this short video, we'll discuss a variety of techniques and tips on how to care for the dental bridge you have. 1. Regular brushing and flossing. Similar to natural teeth, dental bridges require regular cleaning and flossing in order to ensure it is clean and to prevent the buildup of plaque or food particles. Utilize a toothbrush with a soft bristle and a non-abrasive toothpaste. Scrub your dental bridge the normal teeth. Flossing is vital to wash between your teeth and under the bridge to help prevent tooth decay or gum diseases. 2. Use a water flosser. As well as regular flossing, using the water flosser could aid in the cleaning of difficult-to-reach parts of your bridge. Water flossers use the flow of water to wash away plaque and sludge between the teeth and surrounding the bridge. This provides more thorough cleansing than traditional flossing by itself. 3. Avoid hard foods. To avoid damage for your bridge, you must avoid chewing on hard items like nuts, ice-hard candies, popcorn kernels. These can place an excessive amount of pressure on the bridge and could cause it to break or break loose. Use softer food items or cut hard foods into smaller, less manageable pieces in order to safeguard the bridge. 4. Avoid sticky foods. Additionally, foods that are sticky such as caramel, taffy, or chewing gum ought to be avoided because they may become stuck between teeth and bridges, which can lead to the accumulation of plaque and the possibility of decay. Consider healthier options for snacks that are simpler to scrub away from the bridge, helping to ensure its integrity and cleanliness. 5. Regular dental checkups. It is vital to visit regularly to see your dentist for regular checks and cleanings to make sure of the condition of the dental bridge as well as overall dental general health. Your dentist can evaluate the state of your bridge and clean the plaque that has accumulated and fix any issues before they get more severe. They can also suggest changes or repairs for the bridge in the event of need. 6. Use a mouthguard. If your tooth is a source of grinding frequently at evening or play contact sports, wearing an oral guard can protect the dental bridge from being damaged. It can cause unnecessary pressure on your bridge and cause it to wear and tear in the course of time. Additionally, sports-related injuries may cause the bridge get loose or even detached. A customized mouthguard could provide extra safeguarding for your dental bridge even when you sleep or participate in activities. 7. Watch for signs of problems. It is vital to be alert to any sign of problems in your dental bridge, for example, discomfort, sensitivity, as well as swelling and the feeling of being loose. If you are experiencing any of these issues, you must seek out your dentist as soon as possible to receive an examination and treatment. If you ignore any potential issue, it can cause more severe complications later and might require more extensive procedures to rectify. With these helpful tips and techniques for maintaining the dental bridge, you'll be able to increase its durability and function in the future. Make sure you practice proper oral hygiene habits, get regular checkups with your dentist, and pay attention to your diet to help protect your bridge's dental health and maintain your dental health and gorgeous.